Hey everybody, welcome back. It's been a while since my last video. I've been working on the garage, insulating it. I also took a little vacation and went to Cancun. I pulled everything away from the walls and I insulated and then I put everything back. I did not do drywall because I do not plan on keeping this garage for that long. I just wanted it to be warm so I could do stuff in the winter. Right now it's 60 degrees in here and it's about 20 degrees outside and there's a lot of snow everywhere. And as you can tell, it is already cold out. We got about 12 inches of snow the other night, and I don't think it's gonna melt till spring. I'll just give a little tour. Over here, I have those wheels that are set up. I have some more wheels that I have to organize. Then I have shelves, and then back here I've got a parts washer, and I'm gonna have my bench sander thing over there. I'm gonna make a new bench for the bikes. And then over here I have more storage that I have to organize. And then I redid my workbench and I put these horizontal filing cabinets underneath it, which are really nice. I'm gonna reorganize these, but they are in pretty good condition. I have my tools, my mini lathe, and then I moved my drill press up here. And I had that big press that I used earlier and actually chopped that down and made it a little bit smaller. I do need to level it still, but that's kind of my new layout. One thing I found annoying was that whenever I needed a drill or an impact, I'd have to reach into my toolbox and get it. And so I wanted to install these little brackets that would hold up my M18 tools. I was gonna have my buddy at Moped Factory 3D print me some, but it turned out I could buy them on Amazon for really cheap. I got 5 for 10 bucks shipped, so I'm gonna install some of these. I'll post a link for these below, but feel free to buy them wherever you want. These clip right in. I want these right about here. Woo. Thanks again for watching, everybody. This was super easy to install them and I highly recommend it. Stay tuned for more little videos and for me to finish organizing the rest of the garage. Thanks. Don't forget to like and subscribe.